What's going on? I want to thank y'all for watching LEC TV. It's your girl Tina, and I am back with another video. Alright, you guys, so as you can tell by the title, basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be sharing some ways to help build self-confidence. Because I feel like self-confidence is a key element to have when you're trying to, basically be successful in life. I feel that self-confidence is very important. And I'm going to first start by sharing with you all my definition of self-confidence. So basically what it means to me is being genuinely happy with who you truly are, regardless of what anyone else thinks. That is my definition of self-confidence. Like I said, I feel like it's just one of those elements that is going to take you very far in anything that you set out to do in life. And I think the first thing that you have to do when you're trying to build self-confidence is you have to think about what you've accomplished so far in your life. A lot of the times we don't tend to reflect on our past achievements. We spend so much time focusing on where we're trying to go and what we haven't accomplished. But it'll really help if you take the time to reflect on past on past achievements, because they can help you see just how great of a person you really are, and just how close you are to reaching certain goals in your life once you truly reflect on, like I said, everything that you've already done. The next thing I think that you have to reflect on is your strengths. Sorry, y'all. Okay, the next thing that you have to focus on is your strengths. Again, this is one of those things that we tend to forget about. We tend to focus so much on our weaknesses and what we need to work on, which is fine. We definitely should be focusing on our weaknesses, but I think we also need to take some time throughout our day to think about our strengths, to think about what we're good at, what brings us the most joy, because like I said, that's going to help you again see just how great of a person you really are. Because when you're reflecting on these things, you might, like I said, you might shock yourself. Like sometimes when I reflect on what I've done so far, it amazes me. Like it really does. Some of the things that I have done so far in my life, and that has truly been one of the things that has helped me to build self-confidence. So the next thing after focusing on your strengths, you also want to focus on what you want out of life. What do you want to do out of life? Like, what is your goals? Do you want to travel? Do you want to, I don't know, anything that you want to do in life? I can't think of anything else right now. But anything that you want to do in life, just reflect on that. Think about that. And think about, combine that with what you've already accomplished and your strengths. And it'll help you determine what's your next move and how you can continue moving forward and doing the things that you're needing to do to get to that next level of success. And the last thing that I definitely think that you need to do when you're building self-confidence is start training yourself to counteract negative thoughts with positive ones. And this is a step that's going to take some time, because we've become so accustomed to focusing on the negativity in our lives, like I said before, like what we don't have, and then we also look at what other people have that we don't have, and what we haven't done yet, because some of us tend to set some pretty unrealistic goals for ourselves, and we tend to focus so much on one certain aspect of the goal. Like some people focus more on the money aspect than truly perfecting their craft. And so if you focus so much on the money and you're not making that money, then you're going to get discouraged. You're going to get discouraged. And it's because you need to start training yourself to focus on something a little more positive to help you build that self-confidence, to take you to that next level, and to help you make the money that you want to make. But like I said in the last video, I try not to focus on money when it comes to setting goals or anything like that, because it can be a very discouraging factor. So like I said, training yourself to just think more positive, to block out the negative thoughts, the negative things that negative people will say. Surround yourself with more positive people. People that are going down the same path that you are, and that's looking to reach the same goals that you are. They have the same focus in life. You don't want to hang around people that is doing the exact opposite, because then eventually you're going to follow suit, because that's all you're seeing. That's all you're used to seeing is a path that's straying away from where you're trying to go. So like I said, you want to surround yourself with people that have the same goals and the same focus in life. And then once you build that self-confidence, I'm telling you, watch that success follow. Just watch it. It's going to come. Like I said, things are not going to happen overnight. Things will take time. But the more that you continue to work on you and build and becoming a better person for yourself, not for anybody else, but for yourself, like I said, you'll see that success follow you. But like I said, you have to stay true to who you are. Be happy with who you are as a person, and not let anyone else change anything about you. Unless it's something that you feel that you want to change. Like I said, do things that is going to make you happy at the end of the day. Alright, you guys, so that is basically what I wanted to share with you all. I just wanted to share some things that have helped me over the years to build self-confidence. So just leave me some comments down below if you wanted to ask me any other questions. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video now, but just as always, until the next video, if it ain't excellent, it's irrelevant. Thank you all.